So where do we find biliary stones? It's easy. Biliary stones are found either in the gallbladder or in the bile duct, extrahepatically or intrahepatically, or both. The essential aspect of removing stones is essentially to liberate the flow of bile, and when there is only one stone, it's not problematic unless it's very big or has weird shapes. But pathophysiologically and clinically, when there is an obstruction of the bile ducts, this leads to jaundice, cholestasis, and of course inflammation. And inflammation due to obstruction and bacterial translocation in the setting of subclinical or clinical cholangitis is the main factor leading to fibrosis, liver failure, and patient's demise. So it's very important that when dealing with stones, a complete clearance is achieved. And we don't need to focus only on the stone, but also on the anatomical aspects of the bile ducts, as you will see. It's very important that you know your liver segments. This chart shows you a nice ways to memorize. It's important that we correlate to where the segments are to the cholangiogram. As we can see here,